If you knew all you had to do was send 1,000 emails to achieve time and financial freedom, would you do it? Then you might not want to skip this video. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get 15 streams of income with one simple click. This is going to be an in-depth review on the 72-Hour to Freedom Challenge by Jonathan Montoya. This is going to be a real banger, guys, because you're about to discover how you can start your online business in the fastest way as humanly possible. You're going to get access to a white label system that you can use for you and your personal brand. And you're going to discover how you can leverage this system to get an endless amount of traffic that'll give you leads like water flowing through a river. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to give you an exclusive bonus that I personally use to get over 100 leads in the past couple of days that literally has no competition right now. What's up, guys? I'm Lambo P with Love with Blueprint Your Mind, the channel that is dedicated to teaching you how to create multiple streams of income using the power of digital and affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in achieving financial and time freedom so you can quit your 9-to-5 job, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I'm on a mission to help 9-to-5ers leave their 9-to-5 job and make their first $1,000 online. And I come out with videos every single week, so don't forget to tap that notification bell so you know every single time that I'm dropping content. I've been working closely with Jonathan for quite a while, and being a part of his Inner Circle coaching program and witnessing the methods that I'm about to show you inside of this training today has been definitely life-changing. After learning these methods and implementing them myself, I've been able to grow my email list to over 4,000 contacts. And I've also used these methods to bring in over $100 worth of commission in less than 15 minutes. And more importantly, I have helped hundreds of other people just like you generate their first leads online. So if you're excited to learn how to get 15 streams of income with one simple click of a button so you can grow your brand, your email list, and your business, comment "Let's go" down below and let's get started. If you're someone looking to start an online business, or maybe you have an online business and you're struggling to make it grow, I think this challenge is going to be for you. 72 Hours to Freedom Challenge is a very comprehensive program that shows you how to start, build, and grow an online business in 72 hours or less. Now, this program was put together by its creator, Jonathan Montoya. And if you aren't familiar with who Jonathan Montoya is, I left a link to his YouTube channel somewhere on this video. I also left it in the description, but he's a 7-figure entrepreneur who has taught over 40,000 people how to walk away from their 9-to-5 job and has helped thousands of people generate their first $10,000 online. Now, his previous 3-day challenge program was incredible with the amount of value that he had in that program. But to be completely honest, Jonathan really outdid himself with this one. And I want to give you an in-depth look on exactly what the 72-hour challenge is and how it's broken down to help you not only grow the most valuable asset that you have in your business, which is emails, but how you can also grow your audience, your brand, and your sales online. So let's go ahead and jump into the challenge. So once you get access to the challenge and you log in, you're going to see a screen that looks like this, and this is where you're going to access the actual challenge. Okay, so all you want to do, just go here to the 72-hour challenge. Let's go ahead and break down these 3 modules that Jonathan has put together for you guys to start growing your online business. Day 1 of the challenge is going to be called the Freedom Roadmap. And this is where Jonathan is going to walk you step by step on exactly how you're going to leverage this system in order to start bringing more leads and more sales into your business. Not only will you be able to do that, but you'll also be able to build a personal brand, because Jonathan actually keeps you as the authority. And what's cool about this program is not only do you get access to this training, and you also get access to a white label funnel, but you also get a lot of cool resources as well. So as you can see here on the first day, you come down to action number 1, and Jonathan actually gives you a contract that you're going to sign with yourself. Okay, now this contract is basically just making a commitment to yourself that you're going to see this challenge through, and you're going to do all the things that is necessary for you to start reaching your goals. And in action number 2, Jonathan is giving us an entire workbook that we can go through in order to take this challenge and make it a little more easier in case we don't have time to watch all the videos. We could actually just go inside of the workbook and we get access to exactly what the challenge is all about. Another awesome thing that Jonathan has added into this program is giving all of the students homework, right? Because everyone needs that push. Everyone needs someone to tell them exactly what they need to do in order to push the needle forward. So Jonathan actually gives you homework to do every single day. So for example, he says, introduce yourself and tell us why you're here. And more importantly, tell how this business is going to help you and your family prosper, because that's what this is all about. It's not necessarily about just making money, but it's about getting you to the actual desired goal that you want for yourself. Now, as we move into day two, this is where Jonathan is going to go through the automated sales system. And this is where he's going to highlight on how you need to create a system that can generate leads and make you sales while growing your personal brand. And he goes through how you can set this entire system up on two different platforms, whether you're using Clickfunnels or systeme.io. If you're not familiar with any one of these softwares, Clickfunnels is a sales funnel creator that helps businesses automate their sales from A to Z. And if you want access to a 14-day free trial to Clickfunnels, I left a link in the description for you. All you have to do is click that link, sign up for Clickfunnels, and you can download this system directly into your account. The second system that you could use that is totally free of charge is systeme.io. Systeme.io is just another sales funnel creator to help you grow your business from A to Z. There are major differences between Clickfunnels and Systeme. Clickfunnels costs $97 a month. Systeme is completely free. But if you ask me my personal opinion, the interface of Clickfunnels works way better than Systeme. Sometimes Systeme can be clunky, especially when it comes down to domain integration, email automation. These things could be a little wonky from time to time. So I would recommend Clickfunnels personally and pay the $97 a month, but I am fully aware that some people just don't have the money to pay that. So that's the reason why you have the option of systeme.io. Once you have downloaded the system inside of your account, this is where Jonathan is going to actually walk you through how to set this system up. And this is where you go into part B of day two, which is Clickfunnels automated sales system. Now, Jonathan is going to explain how to import your funnel and how to put everything in place so you can launch within 3 days. So once again, you have the workbook, which you have downloaded on day one. Then you have a checklist. This is where you're going to actually find the funnel. You're going to find all the information that you need. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Jonathan makes you create a copy of the document so you can keep it for yourself in your own files. And action number 3 is going to be your homework. This is where you're going to make a post inside the group just to let everyone know that you completed building out your lead magnet funnel. Then you have part C of day 2, which is the systeme.io setup. This is where if you're using Systeme in order to import your system, then Jonathan walks you step by step how to make everything work inside of Systeme for you and your business. Once again, you have the same 3 actionable steps. You have download your workbook if you haven't downloaded it in day 1. You have the checklist. This is where you're going to be able to access Systeme and import the funnel into your account. Then number 3, of course, you're going to make a post inside of the group just telling everyone that you finished building out your lead magnet funnel. And finally, we move into day 3 of the challenge, which is really the most powerful part of this entire process, and that is actually getting traffic to your system. So Jonathan is going to give you 3 secret traffic methods for fast results. This is where he's going to walk you through the processes that I've actually learned from him personally, and now he's revealing it to all of you. He's going to give you the step-by-step method on how to get started inside of this business. So there you have it, guys, an inside look of the 72 Hour to Freedom Challenge. If you're interested in joining that challenge, I left a link down below in the description. All you have to do is click that link and get into the challenge. It's only $9 to join, and I hope to see you guys on the inside of the 72 Hour to Freedom Challenge, and I'll see you guys in the next video.